Today we're making this adorable little bird in Blender. It's simple, it's stylized, and it's perfect for beginners. Alright, let's jump in. First things first, let's clean up the scene. Press 1 on the numpad to go to front view. Select the camera and the light and delete them. Goodbye defaults, we don't need you today. Now select the default cube. This is going to be our bird's body. Add a subdivision surface modifier. Scale it up on the Z-axis to stretch it like an egg. Go into edit mode with tab. Add a loop cut near the bottom with Ctrl+R and scale it out. That gives us the round egg shape. Increase subdivisions to 2. Right-click, shade smooth. Tweak the proportions until it looks soft and eggy. Finally, set subdivisions to 3 and apply rotation and scale with Ctrl+A. There we go. Our bird is basically an egg right now, and I love it. Now let's give this egg some eyes. Duplicate the body with Shift+D, scale it down, and move it forward. From a side view with numpad 3, adjust the position. Back to front view, play with the scale and rotation until it looks cute. Now add a mirror modifier, and set the body as the mirror object. Boom! 2 eyes for the price of 1. For the pupils, just duplicate the eyes, scale them down, and move them in place. Make them nice and round, so the bird looks innocent. Alright, this bird needs a beak. Duplicate the body again, scale it down, and move it forward. In edit mode, select everything and move it up on the Z-axis so the origin is near the bottom. That way we can rotate it easily. Flatten it on X and Y with S plus Shift plus Z. Scale the front vertices down, add a loop cut, and adjust the shape into a beak. Use X-ray mode if needed. Once it looks good, move it into position. Try to make the look of our bird better by editing the eyes and beak objects further. Now it really looks like a bird, not just an egg with eyes. Time for the little feather tuft on top. Duplicate the beak, move it up, rotate it, and position on the bird's head. Adjust until it looks cute and silly. Think of it as the bird's hairstyle, because every bird deserves good hair. Okay, let's make something for our bird to sit on. Add a path curve. In edit mode, grab the points and move them to shape a nice curve. Use E to extrude more points if needed, and then move the new vertices around to shape a perfect branch. In the curve panel, increase depth and set resolution to 1. Convert it to mesh. Press O to activate proportional editing, then at the tip, scale it down to make it thinner. Randomly move a few vertices to give it a natural, organic look. Fill the end face with F. And now our bird has a branch to chill on, because even cute birds need somewhere to sit. Tilt the bird a little. It makes it look extra curious. Let's add a camera. Shift+A, then camera. Press 0 on the numpad to view through it. Use walk navigation to frame the perfect shot. Now the fun part, materials. Switch to material preview. Then drag the bottom panel up and switch it from timeline to the shader editor. And let's set up a gradient for the body. Use a texture coordinate, mapping, separate XYZ, and color ramp. Hook it up to the base color of the principled BSDF. Pick light orange and yellow for a soft gradient. For the beak and feathers, duplicate the material and make it a bit darker. For the eyes, add a light blue material with low roughness so they shine. For the pupils, use a dark blue. And for the branch, create a nice dark green. And that's it. We've created a cute little bird in Blender. Honestly, it's amazing how much personality you can get out of just an egg shape with eyes and a beak. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like. It really helps. And drop a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, happy blending.